All right, y'all. So what we got here is, I won a contest. I never win contests. I mean, rarely. I can't say I never, because I did. And I've got to thank two great people. I will put their link, their channel, in the description. But this comes from a contest that Matt and Sarah had from Beecastle. Castle Hives now has a Beecastle. So you can get this on Amazon. Wow, I can already see. Oh man, look at this. So Beecastle, right there, United States trustworthy brand. We have not authorized any other sellers to sell our products. Wow, Beecastle allowed only. So this is a complete package. I mean, it's got the frames, even the screws and nails are in here. Wow, that's crazy. Craziness. Nice waxed foundation. Man, oh, those smell good. I'm gonna set those over here. Let's see here. I mean, you can even just feel the wax on these. That's awesome. Matt, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. I gotta get this all out because I gotta stack it. And the frames, I can put them together at any time. I don't have to necessarily put them together today because you see, I got frames. Wow, it's awesome there too. Look at this. Now this hive comes completely wax dipped also. I mean, I can just feel it on here. Comes with, it's a 10 frame hive, so we've got entrance reducer. Look at that, how nice that goes on there. Man, that's awesome. I gotta move this. Let me move it, because I gotta show everybody how this thing looks. We're gonna set it right there. Oh, and look at these boxes here. Man, beautiful. Look at those joints, all nice and dipped. This is awesome. And you all, look at this. Beecastle. That right there is awesome. I love that. Look at that. Matt, this is awesome. Man. Nice inner cover here. Wow. Oh, another side rail for the frames. I mean, everything is dipped. I tell you what, I am Queen Excluder here. That I'll set back there. I'm impressed. I am impressed. We're gonna set that up there. The Beecastle. Man, I gotta put this together. I have to. I want to see it stacked. I gotta see it stacked up, so let me get this thing together real quick. much. Sarah, thank you so much. Beecastle, thank you. I am super impressed with all of the craftsmanship with this hive. I mean, the joints, everything's all nice and waxed. I mean, it is just, I'm impressed. So I cannot wait to get some bees into this here hive. Follow along here at Castle Hives and watch as this Beecastle, you know, as I get a hive in this thing, a colony in this thing, and watch them grow. So I probably will end up ordering another deep, you know, that way it all matches. I mean, I gotta have that burnt, look at that Beecastle, nice and burnt in there. So you all keep on watching this year with this Beecastle. This is gonna be exciting. So I cannot wait to get some bees in this thing. So Matt, thank you again, brother. Really appreciate this. So say I never win contests and that, but I did, and this is one of the best contests I've ever won. So, but thank you again. Appreciate everybody watching. Everybody take care, and look down below there. I'll put links for Beecastle. I'll also put a link for Matt and Sarah in there as well. I mean, just major kudos. Thank you out to them. It's awesome. So everybody take care. Have a good day and keep on following along. So see y'all.